And there you go. We are at the end of the series. If you've made it this far, I'd like to thank you for sticking with me throughout all of GPT-X, DALL-E, and our multimodal future. I hope this series has taught you important creative lessons. I hope it helped you understand the kinds of software tools you may have access to in the future, the capabilities you have, and also helped kickstart some of the deeper discussions underlying this next era of human creativity which is upon us. On Friday, October 1st, 2021 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will be hosting a public Clubhouse event. It's like an audio-only Zoom call, which you can access for free by downloading the Clubhouse app through your Android or iPhone device and adding the event to your calendar. If you've watched the videos in this series, had questions, thoughts, wanted to connect with others in the audience, or even share technical details, I encourage you to please join me at the event. I'm really excited to hear what everyone has to say and how they found the series. I want to learn from all of you. From the outside, this appears to be a series about how much technology will advance over the next few years to help creatives. But really, it's about how through these tools, artists will accelerate creativity itself. This has been a series about creative acceleration. If you feel excited about the future, but not sure how you can start creating with multimodal tools today, while I do have existing videos sharing how you can get started, I will be following up with more videos later on. However, if you're interested in seeing these futuristic tools become a reality sooner, as they are shown in this series, I encourage you to please share it with your friends you know in real life, especially if they work at these well-positioned tech companies. If you're excited about the creative possibilities of a multimodal future which I have outlined, this is the best way you can support these ideas and help them become a reality. There are so many ways to keep in touch with me. Besides subscribing to my channel, I have a podcast dedicated to multimodal AI, which I encourage you to check out. I started a community subreddit called r/multimodal, which anyone can join as well. Also, you can follow along with my writing on Substack. Find me on Twitter, where I'm sharing smart but also embarrassing tweets, and even on Instagram, where I plan on sharing more of my own AI-based art in the future. These are my best ideas of 2021. I'd like to sincerely thank you again for tuning in and giving me a chance to share the creative possibilities of our multimodal future.